If you are over 60, life insurance can still be an important way to protect your family and cover final expenses like medical bills, debts, or funeral costs. Even though premiums are higher at this age, many insurance companies still offer reliable policies for seniors. In this video, we'll look at two of the best life insurance companies for seniors over 60 that are still widely used today. The first option is Mutual of Omaha. This company is very popular among seniors because it offers policies specifically designed for older adults. One of its biggest advantages is that it offers final expense and guaranteed issue life insurance, which means some policies don't require a medical exam. Coverage can also be available for applicants up to around age 80, which is higher than many other insurers. The second option is Penn Mutual. This insurer is known for offering competitive prices for older applicants, especially for term life insurance policies. Research shows that Penn Mutual often has some of the lowest rates for seniors buying a 10-year term life policy, while also maintaining strong financial stability. So in summary, two of the best life insurance companies for seniors over 60 are Mutual of Omaha for simple coverage and final expense policies, and Penn Mutual for affordable term life insurance with competitive rates. Choosing the right policy will depend on your health, coverage amount, and budget, so it's always a good idea to compare quotes before making a final decision. And that's it. If this video helped you learn about the best life insurance options for seniors over 60, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more finance and insurance tips.